Hello creators, this is Sabby and I welcome you to the Republic of Creators, an online ecosystem of resources to help you master YouTube and online video. Now the other day, I had the opportunity to talk with Max Miller with Tasting History YouTube channel. If you do not know who Max is, well you should, because he's someone that has gained over 250,000 subscribers with merely 25 videos where he combines cooking with history. Now in this video, I asked him about his time management skills. We understand it's a new channel and he hasn't been anticipating this kind of growth, but now that he has grown, we wanted to know how it's not just the time it takes to create the videos, but he deals with all the things around it, making it like an LLC, looking for new ideas and all the other stuff. Now this clip is from our podcast interview and the full episodes is available both in audio and video. Links to both will be in the description box below. Also, if you watch this video after this, I'd like to invite you to join the Republic. Most importantly, join our meetup group where hundreds of video creators from all over the world meet twice a month to share best practices and grow their tribe, because at Republic of Creators, we truly believe together we learn, united we create. Now let's go watch the video. How do you manage time, Max? I understand you've just made, again, less than 30 videos. So I think you've not spent thousands and thousands of hours making videos. You're very new, but I'm pretty sure with the kind of growth you've seen, you're enjoying this and you want to do this for a long time to come. How have you managed time so far, and how do you plan to manage your time in future when you may do it even at a larger scale?
It's been hard, actually. You know what? And it's horrible to say, but one thing that's kind of helped in a way is I'm furloughed from my day job, and that's what's given me the chance to make videos every week and do all of that. So that in a way has been a blessing. I'm ready for that blessing to be over and go back to work, because now I think I have found a system where I can still make a video each week and have a job. But what's been interesting is not the time that it takes to actually make the videos, but the time that it takes for all of the ancillary things that have come with the growth of the channel, whether it be setting up an LLC and dealing with, now I have a Patreon, which is fantastic. So just setting all of that up and finding ideas for other avenues of interacting with people on, Twitter and Instagram. I mean, that actually takes up a lot of time. And then wonderful opportunities like this, interviews and everything. So that's what has been the most difficult for me to kind of time out. But I do think that it's going to become a little more self-sustaining, hopefully.
Yeah.
I'm only going to have to set up an LLC once, so that'll be nice. Things like that,
Absolutely.